Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook business page address or URL. This is essential for sharing your business page with customers, adding it to your website, or including it in marketing materials. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in to your Facebook business account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your business homepage. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account. From this drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. From these options, click on Settings again. This takes you into the main settings area where you can configure various aspects of your Facebook business account. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the settings you can customize within your Facebook business account. These options give you control over how your page appears and functions. On the left navigation menu, locate the section labeled Audience and Visibility. This section contains settings related to who can see your page and how it appears to the public. Within the Audience and Visibility section, click on Page Setup. This area lets you configure the foundational elements of your page. From the Page Setup options, click on Name. This is where Facebook stores your page's identifying information, including your custom URL. Now, you'll see your Facebook URL displayed under the username field. This is your page's unique web address that anyone can use to find and visit your business page directly. If you wish to change your URL to something more memorable or aligned with your brand, simply click on Edit. Keep in mind that Facebook has specific rules about URL changes, including how often you can modify them and what characters are allowed. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Facebook business page URL and learned how to edit it if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.